change me. Me, just me in the middle of a sea full of faces, full of faces. Some laugh, some salivate. What's in your alleyway? Recycling bins or bullet cases? It's not equal, it's not fair. We're different people, but we're not scared. We ain't never scared to pave a new path, make a new street, build a new road. Say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Free slaves, one is on word, one welcome. Now a new day's coming, the few stays done. And while the many are handsome, your soul is alive, but they want it for ransom. The bass drumming is the anthem. We step to the heartbeats of our granddaughters and grandsons and rise together, we 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 rise. Lost hope and found me, grounded by lost go round with the walls scream universities, or you and I burst the tease, react automatic and we burst and squeeze, and make 9/11 need emergency, urgency, and put your legs like you're turning leaves. Oh please let the hurt cease. Don't let apathy police the populace. We will march across those stereotypes that were marked for us. The answer's obvious. We switch